Artgrid Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Artgrid is a stock footage platform that's revolutionizing how creators source high-quality videos. Most people get this wrong by thinking all stock libraries are the same or overpriced. The surprising truth is Artgrid offers unlimited downloads, high-resolution clips, and royalty-free licensing at competitive rates, making it a favorite for filmmakers and marketers. Pricing starts at per year for the basic plan, which gives access to heat footage from a curated library. The creator plan is per year and adds downloads, full licensing, and access to new releases. The most advanced plan, the unlimited, costs annually and includes RAW and log formats for professional color grading. You won't believe how this unlocks flexibility. Unlimited downloads mean you can experiment with multiple clips without worrying about individual costs. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on price per clip. The real value comes from unlimited usage, high-quality formats, and a simple licensing model that covers commercial projects without extra fees. For a single marketing video or a short film, Artgrid's annual subscription often costs less than purchasing a handful of individual clips elsewhere. In conclusion, Artgrid pricing is straightforward and designed for creators who need reliable, high-quality footage without hidden charges. By understanding the plans and formats, you go from zero to pro in evaluating which subscription delivers the best value for your money. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about professional video production.